Maniére X Air Jordan 1 Retro High Arg. Manieré's forthcoming Air Jordan Retro High Arg team up is one of luxurious details and heartfelt emotion. Everything from the materials of choice to the inspiration behind the kicks is meticulously accounted for. And it's evident that James Whitner and his team are making a case for being one of the most impactful footwear collaborators of this generation. In the world of sneakers and fashion, holding up the mirror shouldn't always just reveal what you want to see, but perhaps what you should see. Whitner, the owner and founder of Maniére, stated in his announcement for the shoes. We have the responsibility to show the realities of our community's experiences and continue the difficult conversations that make us all better. The kicks are more than just a well-done colorway or a new collaboration. They shine a light on the current systemic issues and marginalization that folks in Black communities face on a daily basis, and they serve as a calling to everyone to use their voice to affect change, a rallying cry that Whitner himself has titled Airness. Elevated cracked leather uppers, quilted liners and the snakeskin-covered swooshes dipped in a rich burgundy certainly give the shoes an appeal, but it's the minor details here that give them life. Inside the flaps, you'll find an inspirational notation that reads, "You have to expect things of yourself before you can do them," and the insoles are adorned with a banner that spells out Airness by Maniére for Air Jordan. Subscribe for more unboxing.